Upgrading your windows doesn't have to be expensive to be effective. For homeowners in Rockford, Double-Hung Window Replacement offers a budget-friendly way to improve comfort, energy efficiency, and overall home appearance. With the right choices, you can enjoy high-quality performance without stretching your budget. Double-hung windows are one of the most practical and affordable window styles available. Their classic design features two sashes that slide vertically, allowing for flexible ventilation and easy operation. Because they are widely used, they are also more readily available in standard sizes, helping keep costs lower compared to more specialized window types. One of the best ways to stay within budget is by choosing the right material. Vinyl double-hung windows are a popular option for Rockford homeowners because they combine affordability with durability. Vinyl resists moisture, won't warp or rot, and doesn't require painting or sealing. This means you not only save money up front but also reduce long-term maintenance costs. Energy efficiency is another important factor that adds value to your investment. Budget-friendly doesn't mean sacrificing performance. Many modern double-hung windows come with features like double-pane glass and insulated frames that help regulate indoor temperatures. In Rockford's cold winters and warm summers, this can make a noticeable difference in comfort while reducing heating and cooling costs. Choosing standard window sizes is another smart way to keep expenses down. Custom windows can significantly increase the price of your project, while standard options are more cost-effective and quicker to install. Double-hung windows are available in a wide range of standard sizes, making it easier to find a fit for most homes without the added expense. Installation method also plays a role in your budget. Insert window replacement, which fits new windows into existing frames, is often more affordable than full-frame replacement. If your current window frames are still in good condition, this option can save both time and money while still improving performance. Replacing multiple windows at once can also help reduce overall costs. Many homeowners in Rockford choose to upgrade several windows in a single project, which can lower the cost per window by streamlining labor and materials. Even if a full replacement isn't possible right away, planning your upgrades in stages can help you manage expenses while still improving your home over time. Another benefit of double-hung windows is their ease of maintenance. Many modern designs include tilt-in sashes, allowing you to clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. This eliminates the need for special tools or professional cleaning services, saving you time and money in the long run. Durability is especially important in Rockford's climate. Affordable double-hung windows made from quality materials are designed to handle temperature changes, moisture, and everyday wear. Choosing a reliable product ensures your windows will continue to perform well without frequent repairs or replacements. Ventilation is another advantage that adds value without increasing cost. With both the top and bottom sashes operable, you can create natural airflow throughout your home. This helps improve indoor air quality and can reduce reliance on your HVAC system during milder weather. While staying within budget is important, professional installation should never be overlooked. Proper installation ensures your windows fit securely, seal tightly, and operate smoothly. This maximizes energy efficiency and prevents issues like drafts or moisture leaks. Investing in skilled installation helps protect your investment and ensures long-term performance. Style is also part of the equation. Double-hung windows offer a timeless look that complements a wide range of home designs. Whether your home is traditional or modern, these windows provide a clean, balanced appearance that enhances curb appeal without added cost. Ultimately, budget-friendly window replacement is about making smart, informed decisions. By choosing durable materials, focusing on energy efficiency, and working with experienced professionals, Rockford homeowners can upgrade their windows without overspending. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to improve your home, double-hung windows offer the perfect combination of affordability, performance, and style. With the right approach, you can enjoy a more comfortable, efficient, and attractive home, without going over budget.